Nimishikawi meme, hola, hello everyone. I just wanted to drop by and give you the who, what, when, where, why, maybe how. Well, my name is Cuitlava Carola Martinez. I'm a language teacher, Jalisco Nahuatl, and Mexican Spanish. I'm also a translator. I translated this book. It was a collaboration with Carolina Santanera from Santa Ana, California. I was also given the title of Indigenous Language Consultant on the creation of this book with Skillful and Soulful Press from Whittier, California. I'm also a co-author of this book, Cihuatlampa, El Náhuatl de y en el Occidente de México, where I talk about my almost 10-year journey of learning and teaching Náhuatl. And I just wanted to give you the title of my chapter is El trabajo lingüístico personal y colectivo hacia la revitalización del náhuatl de Jalisco. So this is the book. My chapter is more speaking towards the community, right, and talking about my work. But the rest of the contributing authors, for example, mi compa Chris Quousley also contributed to this book. You can also say that I was an editor for the grammar books in Spanish, right, under the leadership of Chris Quousley. That's the one in Spanish, and this is the one in English. And so I just wanted to invite you all to my courses, Jalisco Nahuatl, and I wanted to make it clear that those are Jalisco Nahuatl is not Nahuatl from the Huasteca. It's not classical Nahuatl or literally Nahuatl or what they're calling now urban Nahuatl. And it's also Nahuatl, not the Nahuatl used in Danza Azteca, Chichimeca, or Conchera. And I just wanted to say that, yeah, it's not my native language. It's not my mother language. My mother language is Spanish, and then by extension also English. But it's not to say that a generation ago, my family, was planting a milpa, aquamil, right? I remember my uncle describing the planting of the corn, right? When the baby corn is growing, is giloteando. We have a fruit that's called aguilote, right? And my grandma would call ants hormigas asqueles,